everyone, welcome back to another video. I've just been mixing paints. I'm covered in paint, but I finished mixing up some paints and I thought I'm going to do a quick painting on this canvas. I just want to get some paper towel for my hands and a little bit more. And I want to put my gloves on quick. So I have randomly layered colors into 2 cups. No silicone in any of the colors. They are just mixed with my pouring medium and water. And that's it. And I want to do sort of, yeah, I think I'll do like an infinity pour. I'll pour them both in ribbons across the canvas. So let's just I wonder, yeah, let's just pour. Okay, there's some really pretty colors in here. Here seems to be a lot of blue. See if I can just get some lines through here of color. Okay, just put some paint around the edges. It's just to help tilt it. Okay, I'm going to tilt this and let's see. I definitely want to keep as much of this top part as I can because of the beautiful coloring in it. But we'll just see what we can do. So I'm going to go over that side first and back and down that way. And back. Wow, look at those colors. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I'll bring it down to this corner. Right, and last corner. Okay, it is over. I want to maybe bring that down if I can, just to bring a little bit of that coloring in. Oh yeah, I like that. Wow, that is so bright, so colorful. Can you even see it? Right, let me just check these corners quick. They look fine. They look fine. Wow. That is so colorful. So let me take my gloves off quick. And I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun. can get the heat gun here. The cord is all tangled up somewhere. Hold on. Wow, that is so cool. Let's see. I don't want to have, yeah, that's actually better. Yeah, brought that out more. Maybe I can just bring it down a tad that way. Yeah. Right, I'm leaving it. There's something there like a bubble. There. Well, there we go. That is that. Let me bring you down for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. Look at it. Look at those colors. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. I don't know. Let me put my flash on. I think you can see it a little bit better now. Really, really bright, colorful painting. Really, really, really very pretty. Lovely patterns and designs in it. Quite a few of these colors have a little bit of iridescent painting. I don't think any are metallic. Actually, I think the turquoise is metallic. But very bright, very, very bright colors. Look at that. I think it's gorgeous. Look at that. Very, very pretty pattern in there. I like it. I really, really do. I love paintings like this. You know, they are very bright, very colorful. They would really look so cool in any room in your house. It will just add that pop of color into any room. I mean, they're just so pretty. I love them. And I love the different patterns and designs. Look at that. No, that's really cool. I really like this painting. I think it came out really pretty. Very happy with that. I will, of course, show it to you when it's dry. And that's it, everyone. I will see you tomorrow for another painting. I went out this morning and I only got back, you know, in the afternoon, and then I mixed some paints, and, you know, so I've had a long day. I'm tired now. But I will be back tomorrow morning for another painting, so please join me for that. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and share this video with your friends and family, and please leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Thanks for joining me, everyone. See ya. Bye.